Want to know how to change or adjust the volume of your audio clip in Audacity? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Audacity application. So I've also created a video on how you can easily install and set up Audacity, so make sure to watch it. Now, you can just simply double click to select the audio that you had imported first up, and here you should be seeing effects on top of the navigation bar. Just simply select it. Now once you're there, on first you should be seeing volume and compression. So sometimes you might see amplify on top already, but if you don't, just simply hit towards volume and compression, and under volume and compression you should be seeing amplify right here. Just simply select amplify, and now here you should be seeing the amplification decibels, so which you can slide as well. So you can just simply slide up and down just like this right here. So if you want to increase the volume, make sure to select allow clipping and then select apply. And that's it. Now as you can see on the waveform as well, your clip has been changed, and that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.